I'm fixing it. I'm filming it. Well, a subscriber gave me a dishwasher. He says it's not working, so he just bought himself a new one, and he just gave this one for me to maybe play with. Maybe I'll get it working, and if I get it working, well, I'll put it on Kijiji free. If not, it's going to the dump. I'll keep a couple motors, maybe some sensors, but first things first, this was a hardwired unit, so we gotta hook it up to a cord. Of course, I'm outside and I want to hook it up to your garden hose. I had to get a couple attachments, and whatever you can make fit, this will work on a garden hose now. So let's get going here. Let's get that power cord plugged in first. So the ground up right here. Okay, we got the ground on. Now let's get our neutral hooked up. White with white. By the way, in case you don't know, this dishwasher is upside down. Okay, this motor should be on the bottom. Basically, he told me it would start up, it would add water, and then that's it. When you put these wire nuts on, i.e. Moretz, you go as tight as you can. You should be able to put those as tight as you can. Okay, so now we have power. Safety ground, and of course I'm outside, so I'll be plugging it into a GFI plug. Let's get this water going here. So basically all I did was took off the main water. I went to the hardware store and I had to get two fittings, so I think I spent about $11. I should put Teflon tape on it, but heck, we're just testing this. Everything still fits, so let's get this back on here. What a way to kill a Saturday afternoon. Nothing else to do, so let's see if we can get this working. Okay, so I got the drain over there. I'm not going to plug it in yet. Okay, I got full pressure here. Make sure there's no leaks. You see any leaks, Bozo? No? No leaks? See any leaks? Okay. We don't see any leaks down here. Let's plug her in. Back up. So. Okay, just one cycle here. You can hear it going in. Turn the lights up. Well, some more got into it, but that's it. So, let's take this thing apart. Let's unplug it first. Okay, on a lot of appliances, dishwashers, if you take off the front cover, the front door, you'll actually see a piece of paper, and this is for the electrician / technician, and it shows you the parts as well as the cycle of what all the processes are. But most importantly, it was very informational what I'm pointing to. It gave me a bit of a test that it'll go through each cycle a couple of seconds. And that's when I determined that it was not circulating the water in it. This is the main motor that I took apart, and everything's normal here. This guy wasn't turning, so I don't know if it came out. There's not much for splines there, but now it's turning. So it like it popped out or something. Now I can't pull it out. So hey, let's put this back together. Let's see if that was the problem. That's where I got it out of. In here. So this thing kept it in line. My T20 Torx. Okay. Let's see if that was the problem. Let's flip this back upside down and let's get her going. Water back on. Plugged in. Let's see if it does something. There you go, it's working. So that's what it was. Just the main prop off of the motor just came unplugged somehow. He's working like a hot damn now. Anybody want a free dishwasher? Well, rest in peace, dishwasher. It's not worth to give it away. May your many pieces help me with other projects in the future. A lot of stainless steel screws, which is always handy there. Quite expensive to have to go buy. Some pumps and some solenoids and some switches, even some circuit board stuff. You know, I may throw away stuff, but boy, I dismantle it. What I do put in the landfill, it's a small portion. I keep most of it, and you never know when some of this stuff will fix another project one of these days. Try not to throw anything away if you can help it. Good luck with your project.